एप्पल के नए प्रोडक्ट्स आ चुके हैं, सो आई एम ऑन द वेबसाइट. This is something more vibrant. I love the colors. तो ये है iPhone 16. It's not 16 Pro or Max. It starts at the price of 79900. Friday the 13th. Pre-order कर सकते हो 13th को, आप खरीद नहीं सकते, लेकिन अवेलेबल होगा 20 सितंबर से. Okay, I think ये नया यहाँ पे इस पोर्शन पे उन्होंने कुछ दिया हुआ है. Okay, you can toggle through the settings. So this is more camera friendly, more colors देखो यार, colors देखो. Apple Intelligence, powerful possibilities. So now let's check 16 Pro. Hi. Beautiful. This is luxury. So iPhone 16 Pro is around 1,20,000. The first iPhone designed for Apple Intelligence, personal, private and powerful. Okay, let's compare 16 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max. Minimal change in the size. Now the change comes in the camera controls. Now they have added a camera control, easy way to capture. 48 megapixel of ultra wide. So this is new, and pretty much others are same. But they have added a Dolby Vision up to 4K at 120 frames. This is something new. Latest generation photographic styles. Same. Dynamic Island, SOS, 4 hours extra, USB. Pretty much everything is same. For the charging thing, the MagSafe wireless charging up to 25 watts with 30 watt adapter. This is meant for people who use more of the camera. Only then go for iPhone 16.